Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will discuss about the object variables in Excel VBA. So in here, I want to do a calculation. I have a box for receiving the profit from the user. I have a box for receiving the loan repayment. And when I click the calculate button, I want to calculate the reserve in this box. So reserve is the 25% of profit after deducting the loan. So that means the loan amount must be deducted from the profit amount, and the remaining amount 25% we are going to reserve. That is the problem. Okay, so to do this problem I will go to Visual Basic for application, then I add a module and I'm saying like calculate profit, correct? And in here I will say like subcalc prof, that's my choice. Then I'm saying like this workbook dot sheets of, what is the name of sheet, test dot range of what, this range is D8. So range of D8 equals, so I have to repeat everywhere this workbook dot sheets of test dot range of D8, something like that, right? Okay, so this is a tedious process. Like if you have more codes, so keep on writing this workbook dot sheets of test again and again and again, make the programming like boring and tedious, and it's not professional too. Okay, so today we are going to find a solution for that. So the solution for that is the object variable. Okay, so object variables are variables which is used to store an instance of an object. Okay, instance means what? The copy of an object. For example, objects means file or workbook is an object, sheet is an object, range is an object. Okay, so for the object variable, same like the other variables, you have to declare the object variable before you use them. So for example, here you can have declaration dim wb as workbook. This is for storing a what? Workbook means a file. Okay, and you have to write the set statement for the object variable. That's mandatory. So immediately after declaring the object variable, you have to do the set statement. That means which value or which object you are going to store in that location. For example, here you can see set wb is equal to this workbook, and you can declare dim ws as worksheet. Ws, the name is your choice, you can actually use any name you like. This is for storing a sheet, and you can say set ws is equal to this workbook sheet or sheet 1. Then dim rng as range, and this is for storing a range, and you can set the range to any range you like. Okay, so this is how you declare and set the object variable. And how do we use this in our code? Okay, so let's see that. For example, here I don't want to repeat this workbook dot sheets of test, that statement again and again and again. So I'm going to make an object variable for that. So I'm saying like dim ws as worksheet, correct? Then I will say set ws is equal to this workbook dot sheets of test, correct? So now anywhere I want to use this big statement, I can limit it to what? ws. So that's the benefit of using what? Object variables. So now I'm going back to my Excel and I will check which are the cells used as D4, D5, D8. So I will go back to the code D4, D5, D8. Okay, so I'm saying like ws dot range of D8 is equal to, in bracket, ws dot range of D4 minus ws dot range of D5 multiply 25 by 100, correct? So this is a 25% after deducting the loan amount. Got it? So if I'm not using this object variable, in the place of ws, what will be repeating? This workbook dot sheets of test dot range of again and again. So we made our code really compact and easy looking. Let's go back and assign the macro and see how does it work. Okay, so I'm giving my profit is 6,000 and loan repayment is 1,500. Calculate. There you go. So we calculated the reserve using the object variables. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.